Good morning, students. Welcome you in Bal Sadhana School, Gudagorji, and our YouTube channel. Myself, Vikas Lamba, and today we discussing about trigonometric ratios, chapter number 6 of class 10th. So, let's start. Trigonometric ratios. In this chapter, we will find trigonometric ratios of specific angles of a right angle triangle: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay, then trigonometric ratios of acute angle. First, we start trigonometric ratios of acute angle. In acute angle, first we discussing about a right angle triangle. Some basic information about a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, a triangle having one angle is 90 degree called a right angle triangle. A triangle having one angle 90 degree is called a right angle triangle. Okay, here diagram in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. B is 90 degree. Okay, then we know that opposite side of right angle, opposite side of right angle, it means opposite side of 90 degree, opposite side of angle B is AC, opposite side of angle B is AC. So opposite side of 90 degree angle is known as hypotenuse. So here AC is a hypotenuse. SC is a hypotenuse. Okay, and the opposite side of angle which is to be found known as a perpendicular. Opposite side of angle, opposite side of angle is known as a perpendicular. Here we let angle C and we let angle C is a theta. Angle C is a theta, and opposite side of theta AB, opposite side of theta is a AB. So AB is a perpendicular. AB is a perpendicular. Opposite side of theta is perpendicular and opposite side of 90 degree angle is known as hypotenuse, and remaining third side in triangle ABC is BC, remaining third side is base, remaining third side is base. Okay, the opposite side of angle which is to be found as perpendicular, angle means theta, and opposite side of theta is perpendicular, and opposite side of 90 degree angle is known as a hypotenuse. Third remaining side is a base. Okay, now next, Pythagoras theorem or Bodhayan theorem. Pythagoras theorem or Bodhayan theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, in right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, we know that hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus base square. hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus base square. Here h means hypotenuse, p means perpendicular, and b means base. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus base square. In this right angle triangle, hypotenuse is AC, so we write AC square. Perpendicular is AB, so we write AB square plus base is BC, so BC square. Now in trigonometric ratios, six trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. 6 trigonometric ratios: sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Okay, so discussing about sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Some trick: write here in circle PBP upon HHB. PBP upon HHB. P means perpendicular, B means base, P means perpendicular, H means hypotenuse, and B means base. Okay, so PBP, PB and P upon HHB. Okay, now first trigonometry ratio, sin theta. Sin theta means P upon H, means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta, P upon H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Next, cos theta. Cos theta means B upon H. Cos theta, B upon H, base upon hypotenuse. Third one, tan theta. Tan theta means P upon B. Tan theta, P upon B, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Next, cot theta. Cot theta means inverse of tan theta. Cot theta means inverse of tan theta. Cot theta, tan theta is P by B. Cot theta is inverse of tan theta, so B upon P, means base upon perpendicular. Next one, sec theta. Sec theta, inverse of cos theta. Sec theta is inverse of cos theta, so sec theta is hypotenuse upon base. Next, cosec theta. Cosec theta is inverse of sin theta. Cosec theta is inverse of sin theta, so cosec theta is H upon P, hypotenuse upon base. These are some basic information about trigonometric ratios. Okay, so next we discussing about table of trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Table of trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Okay, trigonometric ratios tables. Trigonometric ratios table and their specific angles. Specific angle means we starting 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So here 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. 6 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. These are 6 trigonometric ratios in same sequence: sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec theta. Okay, we write 0 to 4 number: 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Next step, all these numbers are divided by 4. All these numbers are divided by 4. It means first number 0, 0 divided by 4. Second number 1, 1 divided by 4. Third number 2, 2 divided by 4. 3, 3 divided by 4. 4, 4 divided by 4. Next step, and we taking roots of these number. Roots of these number means 0 upon 4. It means root 0 upon 4. 1 upon 4, root 1 upon 4, root 2 upon 4, root 3 upon 4, root 4 upon 4. 0 divided by 4, it means 0 divided by any number. 0 divided by any number, we always get 0. 0 divided by any number, we always get 0. Sorry. 1 upon 4. 4 means 2. So 1 upon 2. 2 divided by 4. 2 time cancel out. 1 upon root 2. Root 3. Root 3 as it is. Root 4. Root 4 means 2. 4 upon 4 means 1 and 1 root 1 means 1. Okay. Now table. Angles are in degrees and radian. Angles are in degrees and radian. And here trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. In radian, 0 degree equal 0. 30 degree. 30 degree means in radian pi by 6. In radian pi by 6. Pi means in degree we know that pi equal 180 degree. In degree we know that value of pi and value of pi equal 180 degree. So 30 degree means pi by 6. Pi equal 180 degree. So 180 degree divided by 6, it means 30 degree. 45 degree means pi upon 4. 180 upon 4. 180 divided by 4, 45 degree. Pi by 3, it means 60 degree. 90 degree, it means pi by 2. 180 upon 2, it means 90 degree. Okay. Sin 0, value of sin theta. In value of sin theta, first sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree means 0. Sin 0 degree means 0. Here we calculate 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. These are values of sin theta. These are values of sin theta. It means first sin theta values we calculate from short trick. 0 to 4 numbers written, all numbers divided by 4 and taking a root. So first, sine 0 degree means 0. Sine 30 degree means 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree means 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree means root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degree means 1. Okay. Sine 0, sine 30, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. Okay. Now we complete table. First values, right? Then second value of cos theta. Cos theta means cos 0. First value cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 degree is 1. Why cos 0 is 1? We write sin theta, sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. Okay. Then cos theta. Cos 0 degree means sin 90. Cos 0 means sin 90. Okay. Cos 0 means sin 90. Cos 30, it means sin 60, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, it means sin 45. Cos 60, it means sin 30. And cos 90, it means 0. Okay. Relation between sine and cos. We write values of sine from here, then reverse values of sine is a cos theta. Why? Sin 91, so cos 0. Sin 60, cos 30. Sin 45, cos 45. Sin 30, cos 60. Sin 0, cos 90. Okay. And next, third trigonometry ratio, tan theta. Tan theta means values of tan theta. Here we write some identities. Tan theta means we know that tan theta means sin upon cos. Tan theta means sin upon cos. Okay. Now sin divided by cos. Here tan theta, tan 0 degree means sin 0 upon cos 0. Tan sin upon cos, so 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by any number, we get 0. Okay. Now tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree means sin 30 upon cos 30. Sin 30 upon cos 30. Okay. We will calculate value of sin 30 degree here. Sin theta upon cos theta. It means we know that tan theta equal sin theta upon cos theta. So value of tan 30 degree. Okay. Value of tan 30 degree means sin divided by cos. So sin 30, 1 by 2. Tan 30 degree. Sin 30 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 divided by cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. Numerator, denominator. Okay, first step, second step, third step, fourth step. First step, multiply by fourth step. First step, multiply by fourth step, and second step, multiply by third step. Okay, first multiply by fourth step, second multiply by third step. First multiply 4, it means 1 multiply by 2, first into fourth and second into third step. 2 multiply root 3. 2 cancel out, so remaining 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. So tan theta means tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree, value of tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. Okay. Now next, tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree. Tan 45 means sin 45 upon cos 45. It means this divided by this, or root 2 cancel out. It means answer is 1. Next, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree means root 3. Tan 60 degree means root 3. Sin 60 upon cos 60. Sin 60 divided by cos 60. 2 cancel out, root 3. Okay. Now tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree means 1 divided by 0. Sin divided by cos. So 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0, it means infinite, not divided. Not divided. We know that 1 divided by 0 and 0 divided by 1. If we divided by any number, if we divided by any number by 0, we will always get infinite, means not defined. Not defined. Symbol of infinite, not defined. And 0 is divided by any number, we always get 0. Okay, minor difference between these two. Minor difference means number, any number divided by 0, answer is infinite or not defined. Okay, and 0 is divided by any number, so answer is 0. Okay. Next, cot theta. Tan theta complete, cot theta. Value of cot theta. Relation between tan and cot. Tan theta equal 1 upon cot and cot theta equal 1 upon tan. Tan equal sin upon cos. Cot equal cos upon sin. So according to this, tan is inverse of cot. So cot 0 means tan 90. Cot 30 means tan 60. Cot 45 means tan 45. And cot 60 means tan 30. And the last one is 0. Okay, reversing these numbers. Okay, infinite, root 3, 1 by root 3 and 0. Complete. Next, sec theta. Sec theta means we know that cos theta equal 1 upon sec theta. It means relation between cos and sec. Cos theta equal 1 upon sec theta. So 1 upon sec theta means cos theta. So sec theta, sec and cos. Okay, 1 upon 1 means 1. sec 30 means 1 upon cos. 1 upon cos means 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3. Reverse of cos theta. Sec theta is reverse of cos theta. Inverse of cos theta. 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3. Okay. Now sec 45 means root 2 upon 1. Root 2 upon 1 means root 2. Sec 60 means 2 upon 1 2. 0 upon 1 means 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 means infinite. Okay. Now cosec theta means reverse of sec theta. Reverse of sec theta means infinite. Here we write infinite. 2 we write 2 here. Root 2 2 by root 3 2 by root 3 1 1. Okay. Cosec theta, cos 0 means sec 90. Cos 30 means sec 60. Root 2 cosec 60 degree, it means sec 30 degree, and here 1. Okay. Next, trigonometric table of trigonometric ratios complete. So we discussing about some questions. First question is first question. First question is example. Tan square 60 plus 3 cos square 30. First question, tan square 60 plus 3 cos square 30. Value of tan 60 according to table. Value of tan 60 according to table. Value of tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 square. 3 as it is. Cos square 30. Cos square 30 means value of cos 30 according to table. Value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay. Next step, root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square means root 3 multiply by root 3. Root 3 multiply by root 3. Okay. We know that root 3 multiply by root 3. It means answer is 3. We multiply root 3 into root 3. Answer is 3. Any number in roots, numbers are same. If we multiply same numbers are in roots, we multiply answer is same number and remove roots. Like as root 2 multiply root 2, answer is 2. Root 7 multiply root 7, same numbers na and are in roots, so answer is 7. Okay, same numbers are in root, multiply each other, remove the root and write the number itself. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 2 into root 2, 2. Root 7 into root 7, 7. Root 11 into root 11, 11. Okay. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Plus as it is 3. Multiply root 3 by 2 whole square means root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 into 2, 4. Okay. 3 as it is, plus as it is, 3 into 3, numerator multiply by numerator, 3 into 3, 9 divided by 4. Okay, here taking LCM, 3 divided by 1, because any number divided by 1 number get itself. Taking LCM of these two number 1 and 4, LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. So 4 is divided by 1, 4 is divided by 1, 4 and 4 multiply by 3, 4 multiply by 3 means 12, plus as it is again 4 divided by 4, 1 multiply by 9, 1 multiply by 9 means 9. It means 12 plus 9 divided by 4, 12 plus 9 means 21 upon 4. Answer is 21 upon 4. Okay. Question number first of chapter 6. 2 sin 45, 2 sin 45 cos 45 degree. Okay, 2 as it is, according to trigonometric table, value of sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 into cos 45, value of cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. So 2 as it is, 2 into 1 means 2, or root 2 multiply root 2, same numbers and root, so root 2 into root 2 means 2. 2 divided by 2, it means answer is 1. Okay. Second and third question, try yourself. If any doubt of any student, so please comment in comment box. Okay, second and third, try yourself. If any doubt, so comment in comment box. Okay, next question number 4. Question number 4 means 3 sin 60 minus 4 sin cube 60. 3 sin 60 minus 4 sin cube 60. 3 as it is, value of sin 60 means root 3 by 2. 4 as it is, sin cube 60, value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and root 3 by 2 whole cube. Okay, 3 multiply root 3, 3 root 3 upon 2, minus 4 as it is, root 3 whole cube. Root 3 whole cube means root 3 multiply root 3 multiply root 3. It means root 3 multiply 3 time. Whole cube means number multiply, same number multiply by 3 time. Root 3 into root 3, it means 3. Or root 3 into root 3, it means 3. And multiply 3 root 3. 3 root 3. So answer is 3 root 3. 3 root 3. It means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Answer is 3 root 3. 3 root 3. Okay. So 3 root 3. 2 whole cube means 2 multiply by 3 time. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. Okay. Now 4 divided by 8 2 time. 3 root 3 upon 2 as it is. 3 root 3 upon 2 minus 3 root 3 upon 2 ओके, सेम नंबर 3√3/2 minus 3√3/2, 1 minus 1 0. Similarly 3√3/2 minus 3√3/2, it means answer is 0. Answer is 0. Okay, next question. Question number 11. Remaining question 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly, you can try. If any doubt, so comment in our comment box. Question number 11, part first. Cos x. Cos x equal cos 60 cos 30 plus sin 60 sin 30. Okay, calculate value of x. Calculate value of x. Okay, cos x as it is. Cos x, write as it is, equal value of cos 60. Value of cos 60 according to table, value of cos 60 is 1/2. Value of cos 60 1/2. Cos 30, value of cos 30 according to table, √3/2. √3/2 plus as it is sin 60. Sin 60 means √3/2. Sin 60 means √3/2. Sin 30. Sin 30, value of sin 30 1/2. Okay, cos x as it is 1 multiply √3. √3. 2 multiply 2, 4, plus as it is √3 into 1, √3, 2 into 2, 4. Okay, taking LCM of these two steps, LCM is a 4. LCM is a 4. 4 divided by 4, 1 into √3, √3. Next 4 divided by 4, 1 into √3, √3. √3 plus √3, it means 2√3. √3 plus √3, LCM is a 4. 4 divided by 1, 4 divided by 4, 1 into √3, √3. 4 divided by 4, 1 into √3, √3. √3 plus √3, it means 2√3/4. 2√3/4. So 2√3/4. Cos x as it is 2 divided by 4, 2 times. So cos x equal √3/2. Cos x equal √3/2. Okay, according to table, we know that value of cos 30, value of cos 30 is √3/2. Value of cos 30 is √3/2. So cos x equal √3/2. Put √3/2 equal cos 30. Put here value of cos 30. √3/2 means cos 30. So putting cos 30. Cos x as it is √3/2. √3/2 means cos 30. So put here cos 30 degree. Left hand cancellation law, cos cancel out by cos. Left hand cancellation law, cos cancel out by cos. So x equal 30. It means value of x equal 30 degree. It means value of x equal 30 degree. X equal 30 degree. Okay, next question. Question number 13. 12 question as it is, try yourself. Question number 13. Question number 13 means 4 cot square 45 minus sec square 60 minus sin square 50 degree. Minus sin square 50 degree. Okay, equal -1/4. -1/4. We prove that 4 cot square 45 degree minus sec square 60 degree minus sin square 30 degree equal -1/4. Okay, taking LHS means left hand side. Taking LHS means this part. We prove RHS minus 1 by 4. Okay. 4 as it is, cot square 45. It means value of cot 45. Value of cot 45 is 1. So 1 whole square. Minus as it is sec 60. Value of sec 60. Value of sec 60 2 means 2 whole square. Minus as it is sin square 30 means value of sin 30 according to table. Value of sin 30 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 whole square. 4 as it is 1 into 1 1 into 4 4 minus 2 whole square means 2 into 2 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4 4 4 cancel out. 4 minus 4 0 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 as it is. So LHS equal RHS means we solve LHS and answer is 1 by 4 and also RHS equal minus 1 by 4. Next question. Question number 17. Question number 17. Question number 17. 2 cos square 45 degree plus tan square 60 degree. 2 cos square 45 degree plus tan square 60 degree minus 6 sin square 45 degree minus tan square 30 degree equal 6. We prove equal 6. Okay. LHS left hand side this part 2 as it is. Value of cos 45. Value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square plus as it is tan square 60 means value of tan 60 according to table. Value of tan 60 is root 3 and 3 whole square minus as it is 6. Sin square 45. Value of sin 45. Value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 whole square minus tan square 30. Value of tan 30. Value of tan 30 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3 whole square. 2 as it is 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. It means 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3. It means 3 minus 6. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. 1 by 2. 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. It means 1 by 3. 3 upon 1. 2 as it is. Taking LCM. LCM of these two value is 2. 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2. It means 1. 1 into 1. 1. Again 2 divided by 2. 2. 2 into 3. 6. 6 plus 1. 7. So 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Minus 6 as it is. Taking LCM 2 and 3. LCM is 6. 6 divided by 2. 3. 3 into 1. 3. Again 6 divided by 3 2. 2 into 1 2. 3 minus 2 upon 6. 2 2 cancel out. 7 as it is. 6 cancel out. 6 and 6 cancel out. 3 minus 2. 7 3 6 as it is. LCM is 6. 3 minus 2. 6 cancel out. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 means 1. 3 minus 2 means 1. So 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 means 6. 7 minus 1 means 6. LHS 6. RHS is also 6. LHS equal RHS. LHS equal RHS. Okay. Next question. Next question is 21. If x equal 30 degree, then prove. If x equal 30 degree, then prove sin 3x equal 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin 3x equal 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. LHS is sin 3x. So left hand side sin 3x. Sin 3x. In this question, we putting value of x is 30 degree. Value of x is 30 degree. So here we put value of x is 30 degree. Sin 3x. Sin as it is, 3 as it is, x equal we put 30 degree. 3 into 30, 90 degree. So sin 90. According to trigonometry table, value of sin 90. So value of sin 90 is 1. So LHS equal 1. We solve RHS. RHS part is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay. 3 sin, we put x equal 30 degree. So 3 sin 30 degree minus 4 sin cube 30 degree. 3 as it is. Value of sin 30. Value of sin 30 according to table 1 by 2. So sin 30 equal 1 by 2. Minus 4 as it is. Sin 30. Value of sin 30 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 whole cube. 3 into 1, 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 minus 4 as it is. 1 by 2. 2 whole cube means 8. So 4 by 8. 4 by 8 means 4 cancel out by 8 means 2 time. 3 by 2 as it is minus 1 by 2. Taking LCM, 2 divided by 2. 1 into 3, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 divided by 2. 2 by 2. 3 minus 1 2 upon 2. 2 by 2 means 1. So LHS is 1 and RHS is also 1. LHS equal RHS. LHS equal RHS. Next question. Question 21. Question 21. Sin x equal 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Sin x equal root 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. LHS. Sin 30 degree. Sin x. First step, put x equal 30. So third part, x equal 30 also. Sin 30, value of sin 30 1 by 2. LHS 1 by 2. RHS root 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. It means 1 minus cos 2x, 2 into 30, 60 upon 2. 1 as it is. Cos 60. Value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. Value of cos 60 is 1 by 2 upon 2. So taking LCM of upper part, upper part is 1 minus 1 by 2. LCM is 2. LCM is 2. So 2 minus 1, 2 divided by 2 as it is. 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 upon 2. 1 by 2 upon 2. So first multiply fourth. So second multiply third. First multiply fourth. Fourth means 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. Root 1 by 4. Root 4 means 2 and root 1 means 1. So answer is 1 by 2. LHS 1 by 2. RHS 1 by 2. LHS 1 by 2. RHS 1 by 2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज miscellaneous. Question number 10. Miscellaneous question number 10. 4 tan 30 degree sin 45 degree sin 60 degree sin 90 degree equal root 2. Okay. LHS 4 as it is. Tan 30, value of tan 30 1 by root 3. Sin 45, value of sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 60, value of sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 90, value of sin 90 1. 4 into root 3, 4 root 3. Root 3 into root 2 into 2. So 2 root 2 into root 3 as it is. Now 2 cancel out by 4. 2 cancel out by 4. 2 time root 3 cancel out. 2 divided by root 2. 2 divided by root 2. 2 divided by root 2. Okay. And we know that 2 means root 2 multiply root 2. It means 2. Root 2 multiply root 2, it means 2. So put 2 equal root 2 into root 2. 2 means root 2 into root 2 divided by 2 divided by root 2. Okay, root 2 cancel out. Left is root 2. Left is root 2. So LHS equal root 2. RHS is also equal root 2. LHS equal RHS. Next question number 13. Question number 13. Cot theta equal 1 by root 3. Then prove that 1 minus cos square theta upon 2 minus sin square theta equal 3 by 5. LHS cot theta equal 1 by root 3. Cot theta, we know that 1 by root 3 cot 60, value of cot 60 equal 1 by root 3. So we put 1 by root 3 equal cot 60. 1 by root 3 equal cot 60. Left hand cancellation लो, cot cancel out, theta equal 60 degree. We get theta equal 60 degree. Okay. Then in next part, 1 minus cos square theta upon 2 sin square theta equal 3 by 5. Okay, we put theta equal 60 degree in here. In here we put theta equal 60 degree. RHS 1 minus cos square 60, it means cos 60, value of cos 60 is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 whole square. 2 minus sin square 60. Sin square 60 means value of sin 60 root 3 by 2 and a whole square. 1 as it is, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. 2 as it is, root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now taking LCM of upper part, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 upon 4. LCM of lower part, 2 upon 1, 1 upon 1. Taking LCM of lower part is 4. So 4 into 2 8, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 4 cancel out. 4 minus 1 3 and 8 minus 3 5. So answer is 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. LHS equal RHS. LHS equal RHS. Next question. 4 sin power 430 plus cos 60 minus 3 cos square 45 sin square 90. Sin square 90. 4 as it is, value of sin 30. Value of sin 30 1 by 2. Value of sin 30 1 by 2 plus cos 60. value of cos 60, value of cos 60 1 by 2, value of cos 60 1 by 2, minus 3 as it is, value of cos 45, value of cos 45 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, minus as it is sin 90, value of sin 90, value of sin 90 1 and 1 whole square, 4 as it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole power 4 means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 multiply 4 time, 1 by 16 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 as it is 1 by root 2 whole square, 1 by root 2 whole square means 1 by 2, 1 into 1 1, 4 as it is, taking LCM, LCM is 16, so 1 plus 8 minus 3, taking LCM is 2, 1 minus 2, 4 as it is 1 plus 8 9 upon 16 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 upon 2 means minus 1 by 2, 9 upon 4 minus multiply by minus, minus multiply by minus, it means plus. Okay, in multiplication minus multiply by minus, so we get a plus, we get a plus means minus 2 multiply by minus 3, it means 2 into 3 6 minus minus plus, so we get minus 2 multiply minus 3, we get plus 6, so minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 upon 2, taking LCM, LCM is 4, 9 plus 6 15, 15 upon 4, 9 plus 6 15, so 15 upon 4, it means LHS equal RHS, LHS is 15 upon 4, RHS is 15 upon 4, LHS equal RHS. Okay students, if any doubt of students, please comment in comment box.